morning. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a little different type of video. So in this particular video, I'm not going to be working on my normal stuff. I'm going to work on something a little bit different. You noticed in my last couple of videos, I had mentioned that I got my daughter a car. I gave the Infiniti to my son, who are both in the Air Force. So my wife has been sitting back wondering when's her turn. She wanted a different car because, you know, the Sequoia is primarily hers that she drives every day. And since we don't have little kids anymore, there's no real reason for her to be driving that large SUV around. So I told her we're looking to get her something else to drive. She don't really like cars because to her they sit kind of low. So I said, you know, we'll probably get like a mid-size SUV. So in this video, I actually bought a mid-size SUV. I didn't tell her about it. She knows nothing about it. So my plan is to purchase it, fix it, and do all of this without her knowing. And we're getting ready to go on a trip. So I'm going to reveal it to her the morning of going on the trip. We're going to take the car with us on the trip. So that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. We're going to go up to the shop where I've been keeping the car at, and we're going to go through the process of me getting that car ready to present to her. So let's go. I got to order the parts for this Infiniti front end damage, and here's all the parts right here that's damaged. Pull those off already. Front bumper. So I'll be getting started on this once I order the parts. I'm getting ready to order the parts now, and when they come in, I'm gonna be putting this one together. The inside of this car is immaculate. See the third row back there. So just got to fix the outside and that'll be it. Okay, so my parts have arrived for the Infiniti. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting it on. I'm probably not gonna finish. I may run out of time, but I'm gonna at least start trying to put I'm gonna try to get the fender on and the headlight in. So let's get started. Okay, got the fender off, and now I'm assuming that the new fender doesn't come with the brackets or anything, so I'm going to take these brackets off, and probably that little bracket down there right there is gonna have to come off. So, but I'm about to go and pull the new fender out the box and put them next to each other and go ahead and start disassembling it. All right, so this is the new fender. Looks to be in pretty good shape. I'm gonna have to put the bracket on there like I just said previously, and look like some of the tabs are bent, so I'm gonna have to straighten that out, but that probably happened in shipping. So, but I can get that straightened out pretty easy. I just did it with my finger. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the brackets off and see if I can get this fender on. Okay, so these little things here were a pain in the ass to get out, and I guess that's the point of them, because once they go in, they lock in and they don't come out. So what I had to end up doing is pretty much just split the fender where they go in and then pull it out. So that's the only way I could see how to get them out. All right, so I'm getting ready to put them into the new fender. Okay, got the fender on. Took a while to get it adjusted and everything, but got it on there, and now I'm getting ready to put the headlight in. All right, got the headlight here. Getting ready to take off all the bubble wrap and see how this goes in. Headlight is out of all the bubble wrap, and getting ready to install it. Got the bumper here. I can't believe that they folded it. He folded the front bumper. I did not know who would fold the front bumper. Okay, so I got the bumper stretched out. Try to see if I can get it straightened out before I actually put it on there. Maybe I can work with it a little bit better this way. All right, got the front end together. I'm gonna wait till I get my headlights before I actually put everything on the car. Masking up the front bumper on the Infiniti. Okay, we all masked up. Guess I can go ahead and do the car now. Okay, got the side of the car masked up. And just getting it ready to spray. I'm gonna mask the headlight up. What I didn't show you earlier was that I had they sent me the wrong headlight, so I'm waiting on the right one to come. So once I get that, I'm gonna put the headlight in there, mask it up, and paint it. Actually, I might paint it before I put the headlight in there. So getting the front end put on the Infiniti. I decided to go ahead and put the front end on before I spray it. So you see I got my light in there. Just got to do a little bit just to make sure everything lines up like it's supposed to. And then I go ahead and scuff it up to get it ready to paint. Okay, close up, everything coming together. Okay, got the Infiniti fully masked off. Just got to cover up that wheel. And as you see, everything is here. And I'm going to get ready to spray it after I scuff up the paint on it a little bit and clean it, make sure all the grease is off of it. And at least I'm going to primer it first. So primer is done. All right, so I was debating if I should go over it again with another coat of primer, but because it's just primer, I don't think I am. I think I'm just gonna leave it like it is. I think I just go ahead and leave it like it is and get ready to spray it. Okay, so when I started painting, I didn't want to pull out my camera, but I got the first 2 coats on it. I think that's all I'm gonna do is 2 coats. And then I'm getting ready to clear it now. So okay, so I didn't have time to record between coats of clear, but as you can see, I cleared it. It's still wet, so I'm not going to get too close to it. Came out pretty good. The only thing I'm worried about now is, even though this was the same paint coat, it looked like it's a little bit darker. So, but I won't be able to tell until I get it out on the side. So, okay, got the masking off, and as you can see, it came out good. Came out real good. right, got a few more things to do to it, and I'll be done with it. It's a deer sitting here watching me. This is the finished product. What? Surprise. Come here. Come here.
No! No! You make this with me?
Okay, so in this video, you saw that I put the Infiniti together, and I actually got a chance to surprise my wife with it. So I didn't have a video last week. As I said before, we were going on vacation, and we drove the Infiniti on vacation with us. So I just took a little break off for Father's Day and didn't put a video out for Father's Day. But this happened on Father's Day. Just like I said, I just didn't get the video out before Father's Day. All right, so in my next video, I should be getting back to the C10. I was a little distracted, or I had some little other stuff going on. This project actually only took me like 2 weeks. So I took a 2-week break from the C10. So I'm going to get back to the C10 and try to get back on track. So thanks for watching. Click that like button if you haven't. Click subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.